Safety incidents and near misses happen across sites every day, but reporting doesn't. Incidents are written on paper later, details are missed, photos aren't captured. By the time EHS teams see the report, the same hazard may already exist elsewhere. Modernizing EHS incident reporting starts in the field. AI-powered digital forms guide workers to capture the right details, photos, and actions online or offline. EHS teams get real-time visibility to track actions, spot patterns, and prevent repeat incidents. Modernizing EHS incident reporting with AI-powered digital forms.